Hello boys and girls from the YouTube nation, this is the old pro again. I haven't posted a video in a while, but just been busy working. But today I'm definitely gonna post a video about this on this Gl450 here. This car here, I've been working on this car for a while for this customer, a few years, and they gave it to their daughter, and lo and behold, she's been ignoring the services, and finally the services caught up with her. I have to replace this old new yoke here with a wheel bearing in it. We're gonna have to replace the rotors because the rotors are shot, and we can't really see the parts there, but they run this thing down to the ground. There's a new one on the floor, but if you can look right here, look at the pad right in here. The pad is totally gone, totally shot. And I just went ahead and told them that there's no charge on the labor for this because I have to pull the rotor and the rotor and the caliper off in order to change this yoke with a wheel bearing. However, the dealer said it was a different charge. They didn't mind the fact that they took all of this off, and to take the rotors off or anything. They just wanted a separate charge for that car. They wanted $700 to do their pads, and they got everything off the car already. I think that was kind of crazy. I would see if they say, oh, just buy the pad and give us, maybe $150, $200, but since we have it off already. But that was a separate charge. They charged them a separate brake job charge just for that. And I think that was very crazy. But we got good customer service here, so we're gonna take care of our customers, and that is that. Guys, don't forget to share, subscribe, and like. Stay cool out there, and COVID is still going around, so be careful. The vaccine worked. I took it, so everybody should at least attempt to take this vaccine. I don't see why not. And how I look at it is COVID don't respect nobody. I mean, it takes young, old, whosoever. Now, I'd rather to have the vaccine and get COVID than don't get the vaccine and get the COVID, because you stand a chance when you get the vaccine and get the COVID. If you don't get the vaccine and COVID hits you, well, you might play number 3, That's how it is, basically. So, guys, stay safe. And this is the old pro again from the Autobahn. And I'll definitely catch you on the next video. So, please remember to share, subscribe, and like. Old pro out.